Today I will be showing you how to make a blurry EAS screen. This can go for literally anything, okay? First thing you want to do is search up VCR EAS font. Alright, I have it on already. You want to use the app Fonto. And you also need a 16:9 black screen. See, so kind of like this. I usually just do this. There you go. Then you'll need to add this. And if you're wondering how to add the font to it, I'll show you how to do that right now. So I have my font here. Yes, there's a font. So I have my font here. I have my Mo9 zip here and my VCR OSD mono zip there. See? Then you'll want to go to this right here, Fonto. Or you could, I strongly advise using VCR EAS or Mo9. VCR EAS if you want the most realistic experience. And now you'll have to use this. Now you want to go in. Right, now you want to type national. Now also use Align Center. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you want to use this. My fonts, you see them here. These are EAS. We want to use this one. Or we can use the Mo9 also. This one's good too. You want to make sure that you put this to a size of 60 because that works best and it's most compatible. You can also use 55, which is also a good one too, but I like to use either 55 or 60. 1, 2, issue, and emergency action. Space 1. Notification. And I like to align it to center so I can align it. There, now I have the photo. The screen. There we go. Now let's go. It's a blur photo. You don't have to use the premium thing. Yes, I do hate the ads too. So don't worry, people. You have this screen here. Just choose original because it's a 16:9 ratio. You want to blur the entire thing. So let me just do that right now. This was really fast to do actually, so yeah. Effect, strength, not to a high level. But then brightness, let's just reduce it a little maybe. Reduce it. And maybe just put it to a middle. Like this. Next. See, now it sounds a little blurry. You don't want to add any effects though. And then save it here. Save. No. And then now look. Scenarios. That is my tutorial on how to make an EAS video, and goodbye!